Mulago Hospital Executive Director Dr. Byarugaba Baterana updated journalists at the hospital on the death toll, the admissions and the state of the patients nursing burns. His major concern, though, was that most of the patients are having breathing problems due to the inhalation of soot.
We received 24 patients who were still alive and well. 3 of them were immediately discharged from the accident and emergency unit of Mulago Hospital. 21 were admitted in critical condition with burns. Majority of them had burns covering more than 60% of the total body surface area.
Most of the survivors of the petrol fire explosion on Saturday night are admitted in the intensive care unit. A plastic surgery expert at the hospital, Dr. Robert Sentongo, decried the inadequate equipment here. He asks government to urgently restock the National Referral Hospital so that doctors can ably do their work to save the patients. At around 1 p.m. in the afternoon, President Museveni visited the scene of the inferno at Namungona on the Northern Bypass. He later also visited Mulago Hospital to check on the patients and also console the bereaved. Health Minister Dr. Ruhakana Rugunda accompanied the President. The President was disappointed in the people for the quality of leaders elected at division levels, saying they don't inculcate good morals in their voters. He adds that the accident could have been avoided if people were not greedy and loved free things.
This is reckless. To try and siphon off flowing petroleum. Very, very dangerous.
Friends, on behalf of government, we want to convey our deep sympathies, condolences following this inferno that took so many.
On whether poverty could have driven the people to risk their lives to scoop fuel for quick cash, the President had advised them to consider engaging in agriculture as a sure source of income.
The medicine for poverty is well known. First, agriculture. Those who can find land and go and produce. You know, there's a lot of money in agriculture.
Meanwhile, Mulago Hospital will perform DNA tests on the bodies that were burnt in the explosion beyond recognition. Senior government analyst Dr. Andrew Mubiru urges those yet to pick their bodies of their relatives to come with identifications like photographs, the color of clothes or jewelry the deceased were wearing on the fateful night so as to aid identification. Deputy Chief Fire Officer Hassan Kihanda told NBS Television that the fire brigade is building more capacity and will equip fire stations across the country better to ensure that fire is contained as quickly as possible wherever it breaks out. 29 people, mainly border riders, died on spot in the inferno. 17 bodies have been collected so far from Mulago, while 17 others are still undergoing the identification process. The DNA test that will begin next week is expected to take another 1 week before the results are known. Zahra Namuli, Nafuna Christine, NBS Television.